5 healthy drinks for the holidays. Hi everyone! With the holiday season upon us, what better way to celebrate than with some warm, comforting and healthy drinks? Today, I'll be sharing 5 delicious and healthy holiday beverages that are perfect for any gathering. Let's get started. Our first drink is a classic favorite, peppermint tea. Peppermint tea is not only refreshing, but also helps with digestion and can soothe your stomach after a big holiday meal. Simply steep peppermint leaves in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes and enjoy. Next we have sugar-free hot apple cider. This cozy drink is perfect for the colder weather. Start by heating up some fresh apple juice, add a cinnamon stick, a few cloves, and a slice of orange. Let it simmer for a few minutes, and you have a delightful, naturally sweet beverage. For our third drink, we're going with mulled wine. This warm, spiced wine is a holiday staple. Combine red wine with a bit of water and add spices like cinnamon, star anise, and cloves. Sweeten with a touch of honey or maple syrup and let it simmer. Remember to enjoy in moderation. Who doesn't love hot chocolate? To make a healthier version, use unsweetened cocoa powder, a plant-based milk of your choice, and sweeten with a bit of stevia or honey. Add a splash of vanilla extract for extra flavor. Last but not least, we have light eggnog. Traditional eggnog can be quite heavy, but you can lighten it up by using low-fat milk or a plant-based alternative. Sweeten with a natural sugar substitute and add a dash of nutmeg and cinnamon for that classic holiday flavor. There you have it. 5 healthy and delicious drinks to enjoy this holiday season. I hope you give these recipes a try and share them with your loved ones. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more festive recipes and tips. Happy holidays!